Your dog has no idea you're going to die. As far as they know, you're a permanent feature of the universe, like gravity, like the sun coming up. They built their entire emotional world around you. Every morning starts with you. Every sound at the door might be you. The highlight of their day is the moment you walk in, every single time, like it's the first time it ever happened. They don't know this ends. They don't know what ends means. And one day, you won't come home, and they'll wait by the door like they always do. Except this time, the door won't open, and they'll never understand why.